Alrighty, for this appetizer for Super Bowl or a nice weekend, here's the mise en place for that. So we've got 2 packs of Polish kielbasa. You can use any ring bologna, sausage, anything, smoked sausage would probably be okay. Then we've got a 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. We've got 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We've got a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. We've got 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And we have 1 teaspoon of the Worcestershire, right? Worcestershire. Awesome. Now, on the, if you've seen this in other videos of somebody doing something similar, what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush these with a combination. First off, I'm going to use Saints and Sinners Tai Chi. And I thought that I tasted a bit of it. I thought it would pair up with this Blues Hog Championship blend. That's what I'm going to use for my sauce that I brush it with. So the next clip, you'll see me chopping up the sausage. All right, so what we're going to do is we cut these into 2-inch pieces. And then you take your knife and you, about halfway down, I see a lot of 1/4 inch, but you'll know, you don't want to cut all the way through. This is what's going to help it cook and enhance that flavor, get those sauces in there. I'm going to do that for the rest of these, and then the next clip will make the sauce. All right, now that we've got the sausage all cut, just basically something like that, maybe not even that deep, we're going to go ahead and make the sauce. And then basically we're just going to combine these ingredients. We're going to take the brown sugar, and again, I'm just doing that in this bowl here. And we're going to do the apple cider vinegar. We're going to do the Worcestershire. Am I getting good at saying that? Worcestershire. All right. Then we got the mustard. I should have grabbed a spoon.
You're cutting the, one thing you're doing is you're cutting the sausages like Hasselback potatoes, or Hasselback potatoes.
Okay.
If you want to say that.
Okay. Alrighty, so we've got that. We're going to mix this together. If you don't do what I'm planning to do today, the reason we're not adding the mayo in yet is we're going to make 2 bowls. I'm going to show you that. That way you've got the dipping sauce and then the sauce you could use on these Hasselback cut pieces of meat. So we are going to mix. I should have probably grabbed a whisk. This will work. Alrighty, so at this point, if you were going to split this into 2, you would have one would be this bowl with the mayonnaise in, and then a second bowl with about roughly half of what's left here. I'm going to have a different method for that because I want to do it my way. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add all of this in here, and I'm just going to have some extra sauce left over. So again, if you're going to use the sauce as a cooking sauce, you don't want the mayonnaise in there. You only want half of the bowl of it. So I'm just going to mix it all together here. So don't do this and then split it into 2. Make sure you do this before adding the mayonnaise. All right. So I'm going to mix this really well. We won't show me doing this the whole time here, but we'll mix that good. And then on the next clip, I'm going to show you what we're actually going to do here as far as cooking these. I'm actually going to use the air fryer today. All right, so I brushed it with barbecue, that Blues Hog Championship blend. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the Tai Chi Saints and Sinners rub on. If you're going to do these in the oven, you just put them on a cookie sheet. I usually line that with foil or on your smoker. This is already smoked kielbasa, so I didn't think the smoker was necessary today. Plus, it's only 9 degrees here in Minnesota. All right, so that's stuck pretty nice. I don't know if you can hear the air fryer in the background. We are preheating it to 400 degrees. Once that 4 to 5 minutes is up and it's preheated, ready to go, we'll load the basket with the sausage and we'll cook. All right, so we're going to put these in the air fryer now. These will not all fit, so we're going to do about half. Or, well, we'll see. I think they'll all go in here. Obviously that varies with size of the basket, but I am confident these all are going to go in here. right. Yep, there's room. Let's do it. And between now and the Super Bowl, I am planning other videos of appetizers. I thought this one looked fun. So subscribe to the channel and make sure that you don't miss any of those. So, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in the air fryer. I've got it set at 400 degrees. It's gonna be 10 minutes. About 5 minutes in, we're gonna check them. Probably add a little bit more seasoning and brush them with barbecue sauce. And make sure you use a fresh if you have to, otherwise wash the other one so there's no contamination between raw and cooked meat. All right, it's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna brush them again with sauce. You know, that air fryer basket is very hot. We've got a heat plate underneath it to keep it, or no, what is that actually called?
Trivet.
Trivet, thank you. My beautiful camera girl, it sometimes helps me like with Worcestershire, you know, words like that. So, all right, so we're brushing these again. This is 5 minutes in, once again at 400 degrees. It's entirely up to you if you want to air fry, put them on the smoker, or if you want them in the oven. A little bit more of that awesome Tai Chi, lightly sprinkle. And then I'm just putting a little bit more of this on just to kind of get in between those areas. So another 5 minutes, we're gonna have a taste test. All right, after 10 minutes and a little bit of prep time, we've got Hasselback cut smoked sausage in the air fryer, smoked. And then this is the sauce that we made with the Worcestershire, the mayo, the mustard. I think there was apple cider vinegar, also brown sugar. Well, let's see how this tastes. Now, I did this brushing with some barbecue sauce that I like, a little bit of seasoning on it, saints and sinners. Well, let's see what this sauce is like. That's really good. And if you do use that to brush it rather than barbecue, I can see how that would give it another distinct flavor. But this is amazing. I think definitely going to do these for Super Bowl. And there's one more shot of these. And there you go. Go to work. Cook up some of these.